Welcome to Lone Wolf 368 for all your music, news, and tech items. Join the ever-growing Wolf Pack and be part of the community.
Hello, welcome to another edition of Lone Wolf 368. Talking today about ChatGPT. Public chat showing up in Google search, what happened and what to do. In mid-2025, OpenAI offered users the option to make shared ChatGPT conversations discoverable via search engines like Google. This discoverable feature promoted public visibility for helpful or interesting chats. That meant any time a user clicks share, make discoverable, the resulting URL could be indexed and shown in Google search results. Fast Company found over 4,500 such shared ChatGPT links publicly accessible, some containing names, personal stories, work-related details and more. Why its privacy concern is through shared chats where anonymised, that means no direct account name attached, any identifying information typed into the conversation like your name, employer or personal email could be visible in search results and traced back to you. Even when links are deleted in ChatGPT, cached or indexed versions may linger on Google for days or weeks until the index updates, exposing information no longer than intended. On August 1st, 2025, OpenAI officially removed the toggle that allowed shared chats to be discoverable via search engines. The feature rollout has been reversed for all users by following morning and removal of already indexed content in its progress with search engines. How to protect yourself. Visit ChatGPT Shared Links dashboard and delete any public links you've created. Even if you didn't make them discoverable, deletion in-app is a necessary first step. Check Google search. Use a Google query like cite chatgpt.com/share, your name or keyword, to identify any public conversation URLs still appearing in search results. Those may eventually return 404 notices once OpenAI and Google finish cleanup. Avoid sharing sensitive data. Never include personal, confidential or professional sensitive details in any chat you might share. Use screenshots or copy text manually if you want to share results privately without creating any public URL. Understanding deletion limits. Deleting the shared chat link removes public access but does not guarantee immediate removal from Google's index. Cache might persist until Google recalls the page. This incident underscores a broader truth. AI-generated chats, even when assumed private, can leak into public domain if tools aren't used carefully. Think of them like emails or documents. How shareability works depends on how and where they're shared. OpenAI intentionally offered an experimental feature promising discoverability, but privacy risks proved too high. The feature has now been discontinued and retroactive removals are underway. Treat your ChatGPT conversations like any sensitive document. Be intentional about what gets shared and how. Even after a link is removed, footprints can linger online until indexing systems update. Staying proactive is a key. So I hope you found this useful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. It's free and it does help us out. So till next time, stay safe and I'll catch you on the next one.